Exciting announcement. PocketFi new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the PocketFi Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump into the video. PocketFi listing coming soon. $Switch token set to reshape DeFi. PocketFi 2.0, a new era begins. PocketFi is entering an exciting new chapter as it transitions into PocketFi 2.0, the platform's most significant upgrade to date. With the mining season now officially concluded, the stage is set for the launch of a revamped platform packed with powerful new features designed to make decentralized finance, DeFi, faster, simpler, and more accessible to users. Projected listing price: $0.0034 to $0.0056. Industry analysts have projected an initial listing price of $0.0034 to $0.0056 for $Switch. These numbers reflect the strong fundamentals of the project and are based on several key factors. Robust tokenomics. The structured distribution ensures long-term growth, community involvement, and liquidity. Growing ecosystem. With an expanding user base, increasing engagement, and consistent product development, PocketFi is gaining significant traction. Community trust. The transparency and fairness demonstrated during the mining phase have strengthened trust among early users and investors. These price projections have generated significant excitement among early investors and crypto communities. Many see $Switch as a token with not only short-term momentum but also long-term potential. Token distribution, a sustainable model for growth. One of the defining features of PocketFi's $Switch token is its carefully balanced allocation. 51% reserved for mining. The largest portion is allocated to reward early users and contributors through the mining phase, promoting widespread token distribution and decentralized ownership. 24% allocated to the core team. This portion ensures that the team behind PocketFi remains motivated to continuously develop and improve the platform while maintaining accountability to the community. 25% dedicated to the DAO. This portion empowers the decentralized autonomous organization that will govern future decisions, proposals, and upgrades. This tokenomics model reflects a long-term vision where no single entity holds too much power, promoting decentralization and stability from the start. The upcoming TGE, airdrop, and token listing of $Switch mark a defining moment in PocketFi's journey. With a solid foundation, strong community support, and a clear roadmap, the project is poised to make a significant impact on the DeFi sector. As the launch date approaches, excitement continues to build. The expected price range of $0.0034 to $0.0056 is already drawing attention from analysts, traders, and early backers who believe in PocketFi's long-term vision. Whether you're an investor, a DeFi enthusiast, or a newcomer looking to get involved in decentralized finance, PocketFi presents a compelling opportunity to join a project that's built for the future. Stay tuned for more announcements, launch details, and in-depth updates as PocketFi prepares to officially introduce the Switch token and enter a new era of decentralized innovation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the PocketFi in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching, *.